Hello, big boy. It's Baba. Now, yesterday we asked you what story you would like to hear. Guess which story it is. I think it's one of your favourites. This is My Truck is Stuck by Kevin Lewis and Daniel Kirk. My truck is stuck. Dump truck coming down the road. Dump truck hauling a great big load. Round and round the wheels they roll, round and round. Into a hole. Rod and luck, can't go, my truck is stuck. Gears grind, the engine roars, but the truck won't go, not 1 inch more. Help, please help, does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep beep, here comes a car, full of travellers, travelling far. Run and look, can't go, my truck is stuck. Tug and tow, 1, 2, engines roar, but the truck won't go, not 1 inch more. Help, please help, does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep beep, here comes a van, driven by a moving man, blowing pink bubbles. Can you see? Rod and look, can't go, my truck is stuck. Drag and draw, tug and tow, 1, 2, 3 engines roar, but the truck won't go. Can you see what's happening over here? Can you see? Help, please help, does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep beep, here comes a jeep, up a hillside, very steep. Rod and look, can't go, my truck is stuck. Heft and haul, tug and tow, 1, 2, 3, 4 engines roar, but the truck still won't go. What's happening over here? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beavers stealing bones. Help, please help, does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep beep, here comes a bus full of youngsters, what a fuss. Rotten luck, can't go, my truck is stuck. Lug and lurch, tug and tow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 engines roar, but the truck won't go. Who's this, huh? Who's this? Hey? And this, 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 and this. So many beavers. What are they doing? They're stealing all the bones. Honk, honk. No need to panic. Here comes a tow truck with a mechanic. Mr. Mechanic, I'm sure you know how to make my stuck truck go. Sure do, boss. To move it on its way, just hook it up and then you'll say, what luck, my truck's not stuck. Hooray! Vroom, vroom. Now car and van and jeep and bus all move on without a fuss, and the dump truck rolls on down the road on its way to deliver a great big load. Is it going to deliver a great big load? What's happened? Does it have anything in its truck anymore, Mackenzie? Let's go back just one more. Look! What's happened to the great big load? Those stinky beavers has taken all the bones. Right, big boy. Night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite, because Baba loves you very much. Night night.